Hello everybody. I'll discuss now the elementary operation or the transformation on a matrix. But there are the 6 operations are there. 3 are used for the rows and 3 are used for the columns is there. So first is there the interchange of any 2 rows or 2 columns. You can interchange any 2 rows and 2 columns is there, like this one. Ith and the jth row or ith and jth column you can interchange. Second is there, you can multiply the multiplication of the elements of any row or column. Multiplication of the elements of any row or column by non-zero numbers. By the non-zero numbers, you can multiply like ith row, you can multiply by the any other scalar quantity. Here is similarly for the columns is also there. The third is there, the addition to the elements of any row or columns, the corresponding elements of any other row or column multiplied by any non-zero numbers, like Ri is equal to Ri plus K into Rj. Ith row we are going to add the jth row multiplying by this scalar quantity K, and we are adding in the ith row is there only. Same operation you can do this one. The concept is here only for this transformation. Suppose if you want to apply the row transformation, then you are supposed to write A is equal to identity matrix into A, matrix A. And but if you are going to apply the column transformation, you want with the help of the column transformation, you want to find out the inverse of the any matrix, then A is equal to A into I. Second step is, keep in mind, if at any stage of the transformation we are going to do the transformation, either row or column is not the hardly matter. If we get any row or column full of 0, if any rows or column you are getting full of zeros, 0 comes. For example, you are going to apply any one of the transformation and you are getting suppose any row or any column 0, 0. In that case, the inverse of that matrix does not exist, and there should be the invertible matrix. If AB is equal to BA, that is equal to the identity matrices comes, then they are the invertible matrices there. Then you can say B is equal to the A inverse, and A inverse will be equal to the B is there. You can say they are the inverse to each other is there. A will be AB is equal to BA, identity matrix is there. Then you can say B is the equal to the A inverse. B will be the equal to the A inverse, and A inverse will be equal to the B. So these are the few things which you are supposed to keep in mind. Now we will take a problem. With the help of the problems, we will try to understand then how can you apply the row transformation and the column transformation. Have a look. Yes, now we will discuss the elementary row transformation. By the row transformation, how can you find out the inverse of these two matrices? So there is a trick. We are going to discuss the trick by which easily you can find the inverse of this one. So first of all, you know this is A is equal to I into A. You are supposed to write down in case of the row transformation you are going to apply. See, first of all, you are supposed to make this A11 is equal to 1. Then A21, then A22, then A12. Means you must follow this pattern here, like this one and this one. You are supposed to make this is 1 first, then here is according to the identity matrix is 0, then here is 1, then 0. But in case if it is 3 by 3 is there, we are supposed to do all the operation of rows. So you are supposed to make this A11 first 1, then A21 is 0, then do the operation of this one, then here 3-1, then you have to do change this one A22, then 3-2, then 3-3, then 2-3, then 3-1, then 2-1. So you must remember this pattern is there only, means this one like then you are supposed to make operation is here only. So if you are going to build this pattern, you can find out the inverse of any one of the matrix by this row transformation. So one question I am taking, I will take for the 2 by 2 matrix, then we will take 3 by 2. Keep in mind this one is there. Here is this, then this. You are supposed to do the operation on the here, then here, then here, here. Likewise there. You must follow this pattern. So one problem I will take, have a look. Yes, now the matrix is A, 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. So by the row transformation, we will write A is equal to I into A. We will rebuild this pattern is there only. We are supposed to make this 2 is 1 first, then here is 0, then 1, then 0. So to make it this one is see 1, what we can do, we can divide it this one by first row. We can divide it by 2. To make it this one is 1, you can divide this one by 2. So here you will get divide 2 divided by 2, 1, and this is minus 3, 1, minus 2 is equal to, same operation we will do here, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1, and A. Now here, this is over, now second is this element we are supposed to, so here you are supposed to make it 1, here you are supposed to make it 0 is here. We are supposed to make it 0 is here. So what we will do, from the second row, we can subtract the first one. From the second row, we can subtract the first. So what we will get is here only. Here, first row will remain as it is, 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 1, so 0. Minus 2, minus 3, so this has become a plus 1, is equal to 1 by 2, 0 will remain. We are subtracting first row from this one, so 0 minus this, minus 1 by 2 and 1 into A. Now we are supposed to make this one. This one you are supposed to make is 1, so this is already 1, so there is no need to change this. Here you are supposed to make it a 0 is here. So how can you make a 0 is here only? In this first row, in the first row, you can add 3 times of R2, second row. 3 times of the second row you can add here only. You will get, here is the 0. So here you will get 1 plus 3 into 0, 0. So 1 will remain 1. Minus 3 plus 3 into 1, 3. So it's become a 0. This will remain 0 and 1 as it is. This is here. You will add this R1 plus 3 times of this one. 3 times of this R2. So minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So what you will get is here minus 2 by 2. So that is you will get minus 1 is here. And 0 plus 3 times of this one is 3. This is minus 1 by 2 and 1. This is into A. So therefore, your A inverse is equal to minus 1, 3, minus 1 by 2 and 1. This is your A inverse is there. Minus 1, 3, minus 1 by 2 and 1. This is inverse. So by using this pattern, you can find the inverse of any one of the matrices there. You are supposed to make this one here is first, then you must do the operation here. You are to make it 0, then 1, then 0. You will get the A inverse. Have a look. Okay, now there is a matrix A of 3 by 3. We have to find out the A inverse by the row transformation. So just remember this pattern. Here, first of all, we are supposed to make it 1. Then here, 0, 0. Here is we are supposed to make 1. Then 0 is here. Then 1 is here. Then 0, 0. Then 0. So we are supposed to. We will start from here only. Just apply this pattern is there only. This is the trick is there by which easily you can find out. So here you want 1, so you can divide it by this first row by 2. So here you will get 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2 will remain as it is. This will be 1 by 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Now here you are supposed to make it 0. So what we will do, from the second row, if we subtract 2 times of the first row, you will get zeros here. So here you will get 1 minus 3 by 2 will remain as it is. This is 2 minus twice of this one is 0. 2 minus this one twice of this is 2 minus 2 into this one plus. So you will get this is 5. 3 minus 2 into this, 2 into 2, 3 minus 3 is 0 here. Here it will remain 3 minus 2 and 2. Same operation we will do here only. From the second row we are subtracting 2 times of this one. So first row will remain as it is. 0 minus 2 times of this one, so that is minus 1. It will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Now you are supposed to make it zeros here. So from the third one, if we subtract the 3 times of this, you will get the zeros here only. So this is the operation we can do. R3 is equal to R3 minus 3 times of R1. So 3 times of R1 we are going to, these 2 will remain as it is. Here is 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 0, 5, 0. Here is 3 minus 3 times of this one, 3 minus 3, so it is 0. Minus 2 minus 3 times of this one, minus 2 minus 3 times of this, so minus 9 by 2. So this is minus 2 plus 9 by 2, so you will get 5 by 2. Similarly here, 2 minus 3 times of this one, so 2 minus 9 by 2. So that is you will get minus 5 by 2. So this is your minus 5 by 2 is equal to. Same operation we will do here only. These first 2 will remain as it is because we are doing the operation in the third row. So this is 1 by 2, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 0 minus 3 times of this one you are doing. So 0 minus 3 by 2. This is 0 minus, it will remain as it is, 0, and this is 1 into A. Now, the operation we will do here, we are supposed to make it here is the 1 is here. So look at here now. So second row, we are supposed to divide it by 5 to, anyhow, we are supposed to make it 1 is here only. Because here we will do. So R2 is divided by 5. So what you will get is here, you will get, this will remain as it is, first row, plus 1, minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, here as it is, and this is 1 by 2, 0, 0. We are dividing by 5, so this is minus 1 by 5, plus 1 by 5, 0, minus 3 by 2, 0, 1 into A. So 1, 0, 0, 0. Now here you are supposed to make it 0 is here. Here we are supposed to make it 0. So this is 5 by 2 is there. So what we can do from the third row, we can subtract 5 by 2 of R2 from the R2. From this third row, we can the 5 over 2 times of this R2 we can subtract. So what we will get is here. This will remain as it is, 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 0, 1, 0. This is R3 minus, no, just look at here now. Because here we want to make it 0, but here it should not be changes here only. So here we are supposed to, here we want to make it zeros here. Yes, that we can do. R3 is equal to R3 minus 5 over times of R2 we are doing. Yes. So it will remain as it is, 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 0, 1, 0. 0 minus 5 by 2 you will get 0, so you will get 0. And this is also the 0. Minus 5 by 2 minus this one, so it will remain the minus 5 by 2 as it is. Here is equal to, same operation we will do here. So here is 1 by 2, 0, 0, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus we are supposed to multiply by this one 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 into minus 1 over 5. You can, so this is minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 2 by 2, so you will get what? Minus 1. Here is 0 minus 5 by 2 you will do, so you will get minus 1 by 2, and this will remain the 1 as it is into A. So now we are supposed to change this one. This must be equal to plus 1. So what we will do, we are supposed to, this in this third row, what we can do, we can multiply it by minus 2 over 5. This one, third row can be multiplied by minus 2 over 5. So here you will get plus 1 is there. So same operation we are going to do here. So look at here now. So here is, this will remain as it is, 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, and this is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. We are supposed to divide it by, multiply by minus 2 by 5, this one. So 0 into this one you will do 0, 0, and here is also you will get plus 1 is here. So this is equal to, first row will remain as it is 1 by 2, 0, 0. Second is minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 0. Here what we are doing, we are multiplying this third row by the minus 2 over 5. So minus 2 over 5 you will multiply, so this will be the plus 2 over 5. This is multiplied by, so this is plus 1 by 5, and this is minus 2 by 5 into A. So now this is already 0. Here you are supposed to make it 0 is here only. Here we are supposed to make it 0. So what we will do here only, because here we want to 0, here is also we want 0. So first of all look at here now. So for this one what we will do, in this first row, if we subtract the 3 over 2 times of R3 from the first row, if we subtract 3 over 2 times of this R3, so what we will get is here now, this will remain as it is 0 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. In first row we are going to make it change. So this is 1, this will remain as it is minus 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into this one. So you will get 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Same operation we will do here. So from the first row we are going to subtract 3 over 2 times of this one, 2 and 2, so 3 over 5, 1 by 2 minus 3 over 5. So look at the calculation is here. I am going to write here only. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 2 over 5. So you will get 1 by 2 minus 3 over 5. So here is 10, 5 minus 6. So minus 1 over 10. So here you will get minus 1 over 10. And from this one we are subtracting this one. So minus 3 over 10. 3 over 10. And from here you will multiply, this is 2 and 2 is cancelled, plus. So this is 3 by 5. And rest of the terms will remain as it is. Minus 5 by 1 over 5, 0. 2 over 5, 1 over 5, minus 2 over 5 into A. Now the last term is here only. Here we want 0. So look at here now. So let me check whether we are correct or not up to here only. We are getting here is the, okay. So here we are supposed to make it 0 is here, in first row. So in first row, what we will do, from the first row, we are supposed to add 3 over 2 times of second row. 3 over 2 times of second row. So what we will get is here. Here we will get 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And this side you will get, in first row, minus 1 by 10, minus 1 by 10, we are going to add the 3 over 2 times of the second. 3 over 2. So this is minus 3 by 2 into 1 over 5. So here you will get minus 4 by 10. Minus 4 by 10 is here. Similarly from this one, minus 3 by 10, we are going to add 3 over 10. So that is, you are getting zeros here. And here you will get 3 by 5 plus this one, so it will remain as it is, 3 over 5. And rest of the terms is minus 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 0, 2 over 5, 1 over 5, and minus 2 over 5 is into A. Or this can be written as, this minus 4 by 10 you can write on 2 by, this is your 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here is 2 by 5 you can write on, minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 over 5, 1 over 5, minus 2 over 5 into A. This is you are getting. So let me check your minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, plus 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, yes. So hence A inverse is equal to, so you can say therefore A inverse is equal to, this is your A inverse, minus 2 over 5, 0, 3 over 5, minus 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 0, 2 over 5, 1 over 5, minus 2 over 5. So this is your A inverse is there. So if you are going to apply this trick is there, you are supposed to make it here is the 1, then 0, 0, then here. You are supposed to do the operation on individual elements is here. By using this pattern, easily you can find out the A inverse by the row transformation. In the next video, we will discuss how can you find out the inverse of any one of the matrix by the column transformation. Have a look.